Where does the name for Beaumaris come from? So today I'm in Ynys Môn in Anglesey, and this town and castle behind me are called Beaumaris. Let's get into the name. The name for Beaumaris, comes from Norman French, Beau meaning beautiful and marais meaning a swamp or a marsh. The Welsh form of the name, Biwmares, still holds on to the original sound of the old Norman tongue, not the polished modern French Beaumaris you might expect. Interestingly, as a lot of church records in the medieval ages were written in Latin, there's a Latin name too, Bello Marisco, the beautiful marsh. At one point, the town was known as Portha Wigir, the harbour of the Vikings, indicating a Viking settlement here. The town grew from this landscape, shaped by conquest and power. In 1295, Edward I began work on a vast fortress here, part of his campaign to subdue Wales. Beaumaris Castle, designed by the master mason James of St George, was intended as the perfect concentric castle. Symmetrical walls, a broad moat, and layers upon layers of defence, a show of authority as much as a shield. But it was never completed. The money, the manpower, the will, all ran short. What remains is both unfinished and near perfect, a contradiction that still fascinates today. In 1986, it was recognised as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with the other great castles of Edward in Gwynedd. Around the castle, the town of Beaumaris took shape. Its grid of medieval streets laid out for the settlers who followed the garrison still defines the town today. There's a Tudor courthouse where justice was once administered in the name of the crown, as well as a jail. There's the 15th century church of St Mary and St Nicholas with its fine effigies and medieval tombs, and of course the 19th century pier, a reminder of when Beaumaris became a genteel seaside resort. So the name literally means the beautiful swamp, the fair marsh. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.